If you're a writer, sending your work to a friend or to an editor for them to read and make changes, you definitely want to learn how to use the full capabilities of track changes. Hi, I'm Deborah L. Butterfield, the Motivational Editor, and I'm here today to show you how simple it is to turn on track changes and how to accept or reject those changes. Let's take a look at a document that I've already worked on. Okay, so here's a document in Microsoft Word that I've already been working on. You will see that there are several spots here that show items in red, words that have been crossed out. Also over here on the right, you will notice comments. To turn on those track changes, you want to come up here to the Review tab, and then over here to this box where it says Tracking. I already have tracking on, so I'll turn it off very quickly, and you'll see that now it's off. So to turn on track changes, you simply click on that and then click on Track Changes. As you make a change in your document, it's going to show that change in red. It's going to cross out the word or words that you are changing, that you have highlighted, and then show everything that you do in red. Let's undo that. The second half of all of this is actually working through the changes that have been made. We do that up here where it says Accept and Reject, and this little box changes. So we've looked at this first one, and we've taken all of these words and simply put in one, crushed. We're happy with that. So let's accept that and move to the next. Now you'll see that that word is still highlighted, but all the other words that were there are now gone. Now keep your eyes on this word right here when I go up and click on Next. Accept and move to Next. All right. Now, it didn't work that way because I did it differently on this first one, but you will notice on that second change, it went from red to black. If we go back to this one and hit Accept and move to Next, now it's turned to black. So you can't just move to Next, you need to actually tell it to accept. With anything that you get back from an editor, I do recommend that you accept and move to Next rather than do an accept all changes without looking at those changes. The editor may do something that you do not like or that changes something within your story. So it's important that you actually examine all those changes. If you've got an 80,000 word document, that is going to take some time. I understand that. But it is essential to the honesty and integrity of your manuscript to look at all of those changes. Using track changes is a great way to keep track of all those changes and know exactly what's been happening. Your eye can see that color, and it just goes very quickly to each one, and you can take a look at them. I'm Deborah L. Butterfield, the Motivational Editor. Thanks for being with me here today.